Hello, my name is Joseph Riley, and I'm going to show you how to upload your Broadcom SCRT reports. When you first log on to the Broadcom SCRT management website, you'll be put on the repository page. To upload your report, you simply click the Upload SCRT button, or you could drag the reports to this location here from your desktop. But be warned, we only process one file at a time, so if you select and drag more than one file, it's only actually going to process the first one. After clicking the Upload button, you'll be brought into a default directory. If you notice over here to the right, it's filtered to look for files that end with an extension .csv or .txt. The file must have one of those two extensions. In this case, I have 4 files here. 3 of them are individual files for individual machines. The 4th file is actually a concatenation of all 3 reports into one file. If you have many reports that you have to upload on a monthly basis, you may want to consider creating a concatenated file. That can simply be done by changing your JCL to create a sequential file instead of a PDS. There are comments in the JCL on how to do that. Let's upload one of these. In this case, the report was successfully uploaded. We see the success message here in green with the information about the report. There's also a warning message which you may get. It's a warning that you didn't replace one of the required placeholder fields. This is only a warning. The report is still submitted and will now be considered as part of the system. If you need to change this, you can delete the report and resubmit it. What does it mean to change your required placeholder field? Let's take a look at one of the reports. This is the report edited in Notepad. It shows the H4 missing LPAR data detail section where you'll usually find these placeholders. The SCRT is pretty smart. It will determine if you're missing data, and if you exceed a certain threshold, it's going to ask you to place a justification or replace this required field with a justification why you're missing data. This is the only time that you should be changing your report after it's generated and before you submit it. You should use a simple editor like Notepad, because if you change it with something like Excel, it's going to change the file in other ways that will cause the file to fail validation and we won't accept it. If you scroll down on the repository page, you'll see the report that has been just submitted plus a report that had been submitted earlier. You can delete the reports by using this icon. You have about 10 days to delete a report. That's what we call the grace period. It's usually at the beginning of the month, although that may vary depending on your contract details. You can also download individual reports or view some of the details of the report. If you have a lot of reports to look at, you can also filter them by using any one of these filter criteria. And that's it. That's how you submit your reports. I hope you found this useful. Thank you.